the shadows of this quiet town.
Hi friends, welcome back to a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that your day is going well. By the time this video comes out, it is the end of January already, and since this is my first video of 2024, I do think I'm still allowed to wish you a very happy new year, and I hope that all your dreams will come true and that you will get all that you anticipated and hoping for, and of course a lot of love, happiness and good health. Now with that being said, I think it has been a minute since I've done a winter decorate with me video, and I thought it was about time, and I was really excited for this because like I said, it has been a while. So in today's video I'm going to be decorating my living room for this winter season.
There, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight.
With the change of each season, I also like to change the aesthetic of my decor. If you've been following me, then you know that my decor style has changed over the past few years. It has gone from a more cluttered to a more minimalistic decor style, and I've really been enjoying that. Now fall and Christmas are by far my most favorite seasons to decorate, and I do love those seasons also just because they are so cozy. But after Christmas has passed, I like to be in a very clean and calm surroundings just because Christmas has been so busy. So I'm going to be keeping my decor to a minimum for this winter season. I usually decorate it with lots of white and silver in the past, but this year I wanted to add more black accent pieces in my home. This lamp and lampshade I had for a long time, but I haven't used them together in this space here, so it does add some interest to this corner. And one of the things I do like to do for the winter to bring in more of that cozy vibe is to add a lot of candles. I usually use battery operated candles such as these, but these are not on a timer, so I leave them on all day long. But I do use rechargeable batteries because I want to be more sustainable, and this way I do not have to go out and buy new batteries every time.
What's in a life you never could offer? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you.
You're gonna notice that I'm not using any greenery in my winter decor this year. And the reason for that is I feel I've had my share over the Christmas season. And when spring comes along, I will be bringing out more greenery. So for now, I'm going to keep it very calm, very clean, and just white. And you're gonna see a lot of pine cones because I do like to decorate with pine cones during the winter season, and especially these white ones. Some of them I bought like that, but some of them I painted white. Now, here's a fun fact. Somehow, when I put away my Christmas decor, some Christmas bulbs are left out. And this year, I thought instead of putting them in a bag somewhere in a drawer, I would use them in my decor. And I think they look so cute. And they do add that extra cozy vibe, resembling snowballs.
Down, down, you can still take flight, although you're earthbound. You were made to soar amongst the clouds, but never learn to rise above these crowds. Stuck rest of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Although you're earthbound.
So pine cones, and more pine cones. These two huge ones, I actually come across them while I was putting away my Christmas decor. I completely forgot I had them, and they are stunning. As you can see, they are so large. And this cute little reindeer candle holder I recently picked up in the after Christmas sale. Now make sure you watch till the end of the video, because I did decide to change up the position of my dining table.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me.
As much as I love Christmas, I am really happy to bring back my regular home decor, and in this case my blue accent pieces. I really miss them. Now, to be honest, I never was a color girl, and I didn't expect to stick to this color for so long, and I have to say I really love the blue. And one of the reasons that I went for the blue is because of this wall art that you see here. And I'm still loving this wall art to this day, and I haven't regretted it ever since.
Can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
Now, I don't think I ever had a throw blanket that was this cozy like this one that I have here. As you can see, it is thick, it is full, and it is so soft. And it is just the ultimate piece to cozy up with for this season. Now, I'm going to leave you now with an overall view of how everything turned out. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think. And of course, let me know how you like to decorate for the winter season. So I hope you were able to get some inspiration to do your winter decorating for this season. Now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye.
We stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, in this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on.